The following is a sample list of the different reports that are standard with the TourTrax software. Please note that these reports can be customized based on usage preference. The summary report, shown here, is designed to give a brief overview of the tours performed by your officers. Optimized for efficiency, it displays standard information such as the time and date each tour is performed, the name of the tour, its checkpoint hit statistics, and the total time taken for completion. The status column is designed to quickly alert you if the tour is okay or if it requires review. The summary report also contains a drill down feature that will allow a user to click on and quickly go to an expanded view of a problem issue. The summary report also contains statistics that can be used to enhance officer productivity. This includes an overall average of checkpoints hit in an hour and an overall compliance rate based on all tours displayed. This report is generally used by security management as a dashboard type report. While the summary report only gives a rudimentary overview of tour data, the full report provides more detailed information should you need to review an officer's performance. With this report, you can analyze what checkpoints have been hit, which have been missed, errors in timing, and what events or exceptions have been reported. If your hardware supports anti-vandal technology, attempts to tamper with the device will also be displayed. For ActiveGuard users, usage of the panic button and attempts to tamper with the probe will also be logged. The following three reports take specific information from performed tour data and display them for review. For reviewing only the discrepancies in a tour, the exception report can be used. This report will only display exceptions that display in the full report, such as timing errors, missed checkpoints, and anti-vandal attempts. Events reported are not displayed in this report. The event report can be used to conveniently display all events reported in tour data. These events can be captured using an incident wallet. The missed report shows all checkpoints missed within the tours performed. In addition to the exception reporting features in the full, exception, and missed reports, additional commentary can be added to reports on review. The time apart report, otherwise known as a variation report, displays the length of time between the first time a checkpoint is hit and the next time it is visited on a tour. This can be used to determine how long an area is left unattended to at a given time. A variation limit can be set to determine instances where a checkpoint location is not receiving as much attention as it should. This type of report is typically used by retail and shopping center security management to ensure high visibility of personnel in certain areas of a facility. The officer summary report is similar in format to the summary report with a few exceptions. The tours contained in this report are grouped and sorted by officer. In addition to the performance statistics seen in the summary report, this report provides additional information that can be used to further evaluate the overall performance of each officer. This report is commonly used as a part of a periodic assessment or officer performance evaluation undertaken by security management. The coverage report displays all checkpoints and the times they've been read within a given tour. It excludes any exceptions, events, or missed checkpoints recorded. This report is typically generated by TourTrax Security to illustrate coverage at a client's facility and is used in conjunction with the exception report. The threshold report, also called the soft spot report, can be run weekly or daily and lists all checkpoints from the fewest hits to the most hits over the course of the time period selected. This report is great for periodic staff briefings to emphasize any necessary changes on how the property is being patrolled. All these reports can be filtered to display only the specific information one is looking for. Once a filter is set up, it can easily be memorized. This feature is commonly used by TourTrax Security to generate multiple client and site reports when TourTrax is used to centrally manage all the static and mobile patrol activity provided to customers. The whole process of generating reports can be completely automated by the TourTrax AutoGen module. AutoGen delivers any memorized reports to your customer's inbox in PDF format, daily, weekly, or monthly. Ask your TourTrax representative for more details.